My name is Chivira Reddy, lecturer in computers, Government Degree College, Satpalli. Today, our topic is input and output devices. Introduction about the input and output devices. The computer interacts with the external environment via the input output devices attached to it. Input device is used to providing data and instructions to the computer. After processing the input data, computers provide output to user via the output device. The output device that are attached externally to the computer machine are also called peripheral devices. Different kinds of input and output devices are used in process different kinds of input and output requirements. An input and output unit is a component of computer which composed of two parts, input unit and output unit. Input unit is responsible for providing input to the computer and output unit is receiving output from the computer. Here a user can give the input, the CPU process the data and gives the output. We give the input through input devices. It gives the output in output devices. The input devices and output devices are, we have a number of input and output devices. The first, it is called as peripherals also. Input devices. Input devices allow user to other application into input data into the computer for processing. The data input to a computer can be in the form of text, audio, video, etc. The data is entered manually by the user or with minimal user interface. Input devices are classified as two types: human data entry device, source data entry device. The human data entry devices are keyboards, mouse, pointing devices, trackballs, joysticks, digitalized tables, light pen, touch screen. Big devices are light pen and touch screens. These are all the human data entry devices. Keyboard, pointing devices are mouse, trackball, joysticks and digital tablet. Quick devices are light pen and touch screen. Source data entry devices are audio inputs are speech recognition, video input digital camera, scanner handheld scanner, flat bed scanner, optical scanner are OCR, OMR, MICR, barcode readers. Here the total above keyboard, audio, speech, pointer devices all are the input devices. The input is provided to the computer using an input device and must be translated to a form that the computer can understand. The translation is done by the input interface of the input device. In addition to the above devices, the input to the computer can also be provided from a storage device on the computer. Another computer or another piece of equipment such as the musical instruments. First one, keyboard. Keyboard is a common input device. It is provided along with the computer. It is easy to use. It is used for entering the text and inputting the data, and user types the data using the keyboard. When the data is being typed, the display monitor displaying the typed data. Cursor is vertical blinking line. Cursor moves with the each typed character. We have human data entry devices are computer identifies as human data entry device. The data may be entered by typing, keying, or by pointing our device to a particular location. Keyboard is the common input device, provides along with the computer. It is easy to use. You have entered the text and numbers, data for inputting. User can type the data. It displays the cursor on the screen where you are typing. The position of cursor indicates the location of the on monitor where the typed in character will be displayed. The design of the keyboard is similar to the standard typewriter. The modern keyboard are QWERTY. Keywords are the sequence of keys in top row of letters. Standard keyboard contain 101 keys with the arranged in the same order as typewriter. The keyboard keys are divided into 5 sections. Alphanumeric keys 1, 2, 3 ABCs. Numeric keys numbers and the right side. Functional keys F1 to F2 on the top side. Control keys, cursor movement keys Alt, Control, Alter. Special purpose keys Enter, Shift, Spacebar. Some keyboards have 110 keys, where the extra keys are designed to work with the Windows operating system. Next one, pointing devices. The pointing devices are used to provide the input to computer by moving the device to point to a location on computer monitor. The input data is not typed. Instead, the data is entered by moving the pointing device. Operations like move, click, drag, and drop using the pointing devices. The most and first pointing device is mouse. It is a most common pointing input device. The data is entered by pointing the mouse to the location on the computer screen. The mouse may be also used to position the cursor on the screen, move an object by drawing or dragging or select an object by clicking. The key benefit of using a mouse is that the cursor moves with the mouse. So the cursor can be positioned at any location on the screen by simply moving the mouse. A mouse is classified as physical mouse or optical mouse. Physical mouse is having rubber ball on the bottom of side of the bottom side that produces when the mouse is moved. It requires a smooth, dust-free surface, such a mouse pad on which is rolled. Optical mouse use light LED emitting diode and sensor to detect the movement of mouse. Optical mouse require an flat surface The mouse can be used in 5 different ways as follows. Pointing points to the location or object on the computer screen. Moving the mouse by hand moves the cursor on the computer screen. The cursor moves in the direction which is mouse moves. Left click or click. It means pressing the left button of the mouse and releasing it. Clicking is used to select a button, command or icon on the screen. Right click it involves pressing the right button on the mouse and releasing it. Right click displays menu that contain options like cut, copy, paste. Double click it means pressing the left button of the mouse twice without moving to mouse and releasing the mouse. It is used to start a program or open a folder. Drag and drop. Drag an object and drop it another location. Drag means pointing mouse on the object on the screen, pressing on the left button of mouse, keeping it pressed and moving on the mouse to point to a new location. This is the drag and drop. Next one, trackball. Trackball is a device that is variant of a mouse, but it has functionality of mouse. It is easy to use and takes less space than a mouse. trackball is generally built in laptop since there is no space for the mouse to move on the lap. Here trackball is using for laptop purpose. It is also used for moving the cursor. Joystick is the device which is commonly used for playing video games. Joystick is a main used to control the speed of the cursor, and it is used to popular in games involve speed like racing and flying games. Joystick is used for mainly gaming purpose. The cursor moves speed or slow. The joystick can do. Digitalized tablet. It is an input device. Primary input drawings, sketches, etc. Digital tablet is used for computer aided design CAD. It is aided design for the design of buildings, automotive designs, and designing of maps, etc. Digitalized tablet consists of two parts: electronic tablet and pen. The electronic tablet is a flatbed tablet. The pen looks like a ball pen, but it has electronic head. The pen is moved on the tablet. The tablet consists circuit that can detect the movement of pen on the tablet, convert the movement into digital signals, and send the digital signal to the computer. PIC device. PIC devices are used for providing input to the computer by pointing to the location on the computer monitor. The input data is not typed. Entered the pointing of the PIC devices directly on the computer screen. Light pen and touch screens are some common PIC devices. Light pen. It is a light sensitive pen like input device and is used to select object directly on the computer screen. It is used for making drawing, graphics, and for menu selection. Figures and drawing can be made by moving the pen on computer screen. The pen consists a photo cell in a small tube. When the pen is moved on the screen, light from the screen at the location of pen causes. The protocol photocell to respond The electronic response transmitted to the computer that can identify the position on the screen at which the light pen is pointing. Light pen is directly used on the screen. It is used to select, and touch screen is the input device that accepts input when the user places on the finger tip on the computer screen or laptop or mobile phones. The computer selects the option from the menu of screen which the finger points. Touch screen is generally used in applications like automated teller machine, public information computers like hospital, airlines, response, railway stations, supermarkets, etc. Touch screens consist of clear glass panel over the view area of computer screen. In addition to the glass panel with sensors, it has a device driver and controller that translate the information captured by the glass panel sensors to a form that the computer can understand. Now we are regularly using the touch screen panels like phones, smartphones, laptops. For information you want to know about the trains route, trains information in the railway stations and ATM centers and banks also display the touch screen systems. Here next one is source data entry devices. Source data entry devices are used for audio input, video input and enter the source document directly to the computer. Source data entry devices do not require data to be typed in keyboard or pointed to a particular location. Here the source data entry devices are audio input device, video input device. First, audio input device. Audio input can be provided to the computer using human voice or speech. Audio input to the computer can be used for different purpose. It can be used for making telephone calls, for audio and video conferencing over internet, to record voice, to create audio files and embed these files to be sent over email or to translate spoken words into text, etc. Audio input device like a microphone is used to input a person's voice into the computer. Translate spoken words into text is also known as speech recognition or voice recognition. Here, audio input devices are used to capture the voice and stores in the storage, and it is used for recording or it is playing or any purpose. It is directly audio, it is direct input device. Next, video input device provides into computer using video camera and digital camera. Video camera can capture full motion a video image. The images are digitalized and can be computerized and stored in the computer disk. Webcam is a common video camera device. It is placed on the computer above the screen to capture the images of the user who is working on the computer. A video capture card allows the user to connect video devices like camcorders to the computer. Optical input devices are the optical input devices allow computers to use light as a source of input. Scanners in the example of output devices. Scanners. Scanner is a input device that accepts the paper document. As an input scanner, it is used to input data directly into the computer from the source of document without copying any or typing any data. The scanner is one of the input device. The scanner is place the paper on the scanner. It directly displays on the screen. The input data is to be scanned can be picture, text, marks, any paper. It is a optical input device and uses light as the input source to convert an image into the electronic form that can be stored in the computer. Scanner accepts the source of paper document, scans the document, translate into a digital bitmap image to be stored in the computer. Handheld scanner and flatbed scanners are two types of scanners available. First, handheld scanner. We have here two types of scanners, handheld and bedded scanner. Bed scanner, flatbed scanner. Handheld scanner means it is used to move by through hand. Flatbed scanner is placed in one place and the paper is placed on the screen. Here first one, handheld scanner. These are portable or placed over the document to be scanned. They consist of light emitting diodes. The scanned documents are converted into stored in the image on the computer memory. Handheld scanners have to be moved at the consistent speed over the document to be scanned. To get good quality scans, some of the documents that are primarily scanned using the handheld scanners are price tags. Labels and ISBN numbers on books. Suppose handheld scanners are used to copy the image on the screen on the digital paper to the digital. At the same time, the handheld scanners are used for in supermarkets. They are using for to process the price to price tags. Scanners or handheld scanners are price tags, labels of ISBN numbers. It is primarily scanned by using handheld scanners. The flatbed scanners, these provide high quality scan in the single pass. It is box shaped machine similar to photocopy machine and has glass top on the LED that covers the glasses. The document to be scanned is placed on the glass top, which activates the light beam beneath the glass top on the starts of the scan. From left to right, they are larger user of scan full page document. Next, optical character recognition OCR. OCR is a technique for the scanning of printed page, translating it, and the using of OCR software is recognized the image as ASCII text, that is enabled OCR use optical character reader for recognition. The optical character reader stores the scanned image as bitmap image, which is the grid of dots. The OCR software translates the array of dots into text that the computer can interpret as words and letters. The text files generated via OCR can be stored in different formats. Magnetic link character recognition MICR. MICR is used in blanks to process large value of checks. It is used for recognition the magnetic encoding number printed on the bottom of a check. The number on the check are human readable and the printed using the ink which contain iron particles. These numbers are magnetized. MICR use magnetic ink character reader for character recognition. The numbers in the bottom of the check include the bank number, branch number, check number. Reading speed of MICR is faster than OCR. OMR. OMR is used to detect marks on the paper. The marks are recognized by their darkness. OMR uses an optical mark reader is read the marks. The OMR reader scans the form, detect the marks that is positioned correctly on the paper and darker than the sourcing paper, and passes this information to the computer processing by application software. Barcode reader are vertical lines of direct width with the machine readable. Goods available at supermarket, books, etc. used barcode for identification. Barcodes are read using reflective light by barcode readers. The information is input to the computer, which interprets the code using the spacing the thickness of bars. These are the input devices. The next one is output devices. Output devices are provide output to the user. This is generated after processing the input data. The processed data presented to the user via the output devices would be text, graphics, audio or video. The output could be on a paper or on the film in the tangible from intangible form as audio, video and electronic form. Output devices are monitor, terminal, video output, audio response, hard copy device, soft copy device and hard copy device. Hard copy devices are printer, plotter, computer output on microfilm like this. The soft copies, the output obtained in the intangible form of visual display, audio unit on video units is called soft copy outputs. The soft copy allows corrections to be made, can be stored and can be sent via email or other user. The soft copy output requires computer to the read or used. Soft copy devices are the device that generates the soft copy output that are called the soft copy devices. Visual output device like computer monitor, usual display terminals, video systems, audio responses systems are common soft copy output devices. First one is monitor. Monitor is a common output device. The monitor is providing along with the computer to view the displaying output. It is a monitor is two kinds: monochromo display monitor, color display monitor. A monochromo display monitor uses one color display text, and color display monitor can be displayed 265 colors at a time. The number of colors to display by the color monitor varies with the kind of color adapter attached to it: CGA, EGA, VGA, XGA and SVGA. Here we have a various sizes: 14 inches, 15 inches, 17 inches, 9 to 21 inches monitors. The image of the monitor is created by configuration of dots, also known as pixels. The clarity of image on the computer screen depends on these factors. Resolution of the screen, the number of pixels of horizontal and vertical direction. More than number of pixels, the sharper are the image. The common resolution of computer screen 800 into 600 and 1024 into 768. Dot pitch, the diagonal distance between two colored pixels on the display screen, and is not need. Okay. The number of times per second the pixels are rectangled, so their glow remains right. This is the refresh rate. Monitors may be cathodic ray tube CRTs and LCDs and LEDs. Now it is available at TFTs also, and 4Ks. also available for monitors. Visual display terminals. Next one, visual display VDT. The keyboard is used to input data and monitor used to display the output from the computer. The first one, visual display terminals. First one, video output. Screen image projector or data projector. It is an output device that displays the information from the computer into the large white screen. The projector is mainly used for display visual output on the large gathering of people required for the purpose of teaching, terminal meetings, conferences, presentations, like that. Audio response. A complete sound system consists of sound card, microphone, speaker, appropriate software in addition to the recording and playing the sound. The software also allows editing of sound like cutting, copy, and creation of vibrate and sound effects. Audio Resonance provides audio output from the computer. Audio output device like speakers, handset, headphones used to audio output sound from computer. The signals are sent to the speakers via sound card and translate the digital sound back into analog signals. The audio response from the computer may be generated by synthesizing the input human speech to give audio output, or may be a result of a set of rules that are used to create artificial speech. Audio output is common used for customer service in airlines, banks, etc. Here, audio response is used by visually impaired to read information from the screen. For speech impaired people, audio response helps them to communicate with other people. Next, hard copy. Hard copy devices are the output obtained in a tangible from the paper or surface called hard copy output. The printer, plotter, and microfiche are common hard copy output devices. Printers are output information from the computer onto a paper. Printers are generally used to print the textual information board. Nowadays, printers are also print graphical information. The print quality of the printers is determined by the resolution of the paper, resolution of the measured dots as per the inch. Printers with high resolution provided better quality output. Different kinds of printers available in different types of applications. Printers are classified into two categories: impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are, we have a lot of printers, that is dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printers, drum printers. Non-impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. Here, dot matrix printers are print 80 columns or 130 columns printers. It is the printer have head and ribbons. It moving the printer like typewriter, it prints the printout as dotted. Next, inkjet printers are, it is directly prints on the ink jet, and laser printers are graphics printers, prints the process and stores the entire page before the printing. It is print can be print on 5 to 1 to 20 pages per minute. Flatboard patterns, platters, also the output devices. Thank you.